This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging everything, safety first. Once unplugged, remove faceplate and hard drive, then unscrew outer shell with Torx 10 and Torx 20. You should photograph each step so reassembly is straightforward, and keep screws organized by location. While opening, inspect the GPU and CPU area for dried thermal paste and discolored components. This tells you why overheating happened and what to replace. Make sure to work on a grounded mat to avoid static damage. Once the shell is off, remove the heatsink and clean the old thermal compound using 90% plus isopropyl alcohol. This restores thermal transfer. You then apply a thin, even layer of new thermal paste and carefully reseat the heatsink, ensuring the clamp aligns perfectly. Misalignment causes hot spots. If you find a cracked clamp or lifted solder joints, replace the clamp or seek proper reflow equipment. Reflow is a delicate fix and risks more damage if you're not practiced. Take your time to check. You reassemble the console in reverse order, keeping screws in their photographed locations and tightening snugly, but not over-tightened. Once reassembled, plug in and boot without a disk. Watch the ring lights and let the dashboard run diagnostics to confirm stability. If the red ring returns, check the power supply voltages and inspect solder joints around the GPU for cracks. Make sure to mention that persistent failures may require professional reballing, a replacement motherboard, or expert reflow service rather than repeated home fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.